Hi everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your CyberData VoIP version 3 paging server. And this will work with pretty much any of their devices. So it's pretty simple. All you need to factory reset this is a paper clip. So I'm going to flip this upside down. So if you look for the ground, right next to it, there's a little hole. I know it's upside down, so you're looking for the RTFM. And right where the line is, that's your reboot button. This button does do quite a bit of other stuff as well. This button also, if you press it for a few seconds, it will tell you the IP address of the unit. In order to factory reset this, we're going to press and hold it. So we're going to wait for the speaker to give us an announcement that's saying it's factory reset. Let's do this now. Now we're just going to press and hold it for a bit. Listen for the announcement.
Restoring default. Rebooting.
Now release after you hear the announcement. So now this system is rebooting. And that's all to it. Now this system is factory reset. If you want to find out what the new IP address is, you're going to press and hold it. Let's do it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Release.
Your IP address is 192.168.0.101.
And that's how easy it is you can find out the new IP address. So if you want to reprogram it. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you have any questions, please put it down below. If you like this video, give me those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.